Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add collaborators inside of Google Forms. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Google Docs. From here, click on the three horizontal bars and click onto Forms. Now, once you're inside Forms, we can go ahead and create a blank form and add collaborators like in that way as well, or we can go ahead and open up a form already created in the past. So for this one, I'm going to use this party invite form. Now, in order to add collaborators to this party invite form, we're going to see on the top here, we're going to have a little person with a plus icon to share. So go ahead and click on that share button, then share party invites, add people, groups, and calendar events. But what we want to do is add another user here or collaborator. All right, so I'm going to add this user here, and then from here, we're going to want to change this responder to an editor. And then we can also put a message here, and then once we go ahead and click on send, that user is going to get that invite to be a collaborator in this Google form, and then they just got to accept it in their email.